Hey everyone, my name is Devin. I am with KCGameOn. We were asked by Chris Jackson of the Tennessee Titans to put together a streaming and gaming PC for him. So we went to Microcenter a little bit earlier today, got all of the supplies, and we're going to start with this ASRock Z690 Extreme motherboard. We're going to put in this 12th generation i7 processor, 2TB NVMe drive, as well as 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. So let's get started with that. So it turns out that I'm really bad at narrating while trying to build a computer, so I decided to do it this way instead. So here's me putting on some thermal paste, super controversial 5-dot method. I don't know, hopefully it keeps it cool, hopefully Chris likes it this way. But either way, put in a lot of stuff that was not in the video here. Our camera actually ended up dying about halfway through, and instead of like recharging the battery or finding a different camera or something, we just stopped taping. So outside of all of this stuff you're seeing here, we put in some Li fans, the sweet light up cables, and then of course we topped it all off with a GTX 3070. We really hope that Chris likes it.